In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your coinbase.com account, and we'll be doing this in just 5 minutes. With the rise of online threats, it's never been more crucial to ensure our digital assets are secure. By following these steps, you can bolster your security and keep your Coinbase accounts safe. Let's start with the most fundamental aspect of account security, your password. It's important to use a strong, unique password that's not easily guessed. To generate such a password, make it long. Aim for at least 12 characters and ensure it includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The more complex your password, the harder it is for someone to break into your account. Remember, never use the same password for multiple sites. Having unique passwords for every account significantly reduces your risk if one of them gets compromised. Next, I recommend enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds another layer of security to your account. When you turn on 2FA for your Coinbase account, consider using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps are much more secure than SMS-based 2FA, which can be vulnerable to attacks. In short, using an app ensures that the second authentication factor remains with you, adding an indispensable layer of protection. Moving on, it's vital to verify both your email and phone number. This might seem basic, but it's extremely important. Take a moment to confirm your contact details in the account settings. By doing this, you ensure that you'll receive important security alerts from Coinbase via email and SMS, allowing you to act quickly if anything suspicious occurs. It's also crucial to be aware of phishing scams, which often target users in an attempt to gain access to sensitive information. Always double check the URLs you visit, ensuring that they start with https://www.coinbase.com. This small step can help prevent you from falling victim to fraudulent sites. Avoid clicking on email links or opening attachments unless you are absolutely certain of their legitimacy. As a rule of thumb, remember that Coinbase will never ask for your password or 2FA codes via email. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your account activity. Frequent checks of your account security settings and login history can help you spot any unauthorized attempts to access your account. If you notice anything unusual, report it to Coinbase support immediately. Acting swiftly can be the difference between maintaining your account's integrity and a potential breach. By following these straightforward steps, you can significantly increase the security of your Coinbase account. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Until next time, stay safe online.